Welcome to Explained for Everyone. Today we're exploring the colorful and imaginative world of LEGO, a beloved brand that has inspired creativity and fun for generations. LEGO, founded in 1932 by Ole Kirk Christensen in Denmark, started as a small carpenter's workshop making wooden toys. The name LEGO comes from the Danish words leg godt, meaning play well. In 1958, the iconic LEGO brick with its interlocking design was introduced, revolutionizing the toy industry. Over the decades, LEGO has evolved from simple building blocks to intricate themed sets that capture the imaginations of both children and adults. From castles and spaceships to cityscapes and fantasy worlds, LEGO sets offer endless possibilities for creative play. LEGO offers a wide range of themes to suit every interest. LEGO City sets let you build bustling urban environments, while LEGO Star Wars transports you to a galaxy far, far away. LEGO Friends focuses on friendship and adventures, and LEGO Technic provides more advanced building experiences with complex mechanical functions. LEGO minifigures, introduced in 1978, have become iconic in their own right. These small, customizable characters add personality and storytelling elements to LEGO sets, making each build more engaging and fun. LEGO's appeal spans all ages, from young children developing fine motor skills to adults who enjoy the challenge and relaxation of building. The brand has fostered a global community of LEGO enthusiasts who share their creations and inspire others. LEGO's collaborations with popular franchises have resulted in some of its most beloved sets. LEGO Harry Potter brings the magic of Hogwarts to life. LEGO Marvel lets you build your favorite superheroes, and LEGO Architecture celebrates the world's most iconic buildings. Recently, LEGO has continued to innovate with new sets and building experiences. The LEGO Ideas platform allows fans to submit their own designs for a chance to become official sets, and LEGO's move into digital experiences like LEGO Super Mario blends physical play with interactive technology. LEGO is also committed to sustainability. The company aims to make all its products from sustainable materials by 2030 and is already producing elements from plant-based plastics and recycled materials. LEGO fans are passionate and creative, often sharing their builds online and participating in LEGO conventions and exhibitions. These events celebrate the joy of building and the incredible creativity within the LEGO community.